We're here at Escape RVs today because the big news on the street this week is that the team from Caravanning with Kids has married up with Vacationer Caravans, and we're going to go and check out the news right now. Come on. Adele, what an amazing setup in here. I mean, it's a family van, of course. That's what you guys are. What were your big things? The big things, the must-haves?
So for us, it was about quality, and that was our first thing. We wanted a quality build that was going to last our family, you know, pretty much forever. This is our long-term van. We needed it to be customed a little bit for us, and Vacationer were really open to doing a few little tweaks for us.
So what were the tweaks?
So the main tweak for us was the bunks. As you know, Ashley and Kate are very tall girls, so we needed more headroom for them, along with some nooks in their bed heads, so for their iPads to charge and their books, and the drink bottle spot as well.
What about Wayne? What was on his list?
So the suspension and the safety elements of this van and this build were really super important to him. Obviously, he's carrying precious cargo, so he needs to make sure that it's safe on the road. So all those extras that you see outside are all pretty much his input. And along with Maddie, Vacationer Caravans were unbelievable.
And what about your list, Adele? What did you want?
For me, I wanted the kitchen on the door side of the caravan. I love the safety element of standing at the kitchen, looking out the window, watching the kids play out under the awning, and then the doors on that side as well. So you can actually see who's coming in, like coming towards the van. So I really like that side of it.
Mate, to have the opportunity to team up with someone, a client that's used caravans extensively, and put your two heads together, how did that work?
I was excited from the first time we had a chat with Adele and Wayne, and behind us I think we've done a pretty good job, and what Adele's put together, she picked some fantastic colours. It's pretty nice product.
Now, if you want to check out the adventures of the family from Caravanning with Kids out there, make sure you follow them on caravanningwithkids.com.au. And Matt, what's your website?
Vacationercaravans.com.au.
There you go, follow them down the road.